Sun's up high in the blue sky, warm sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name. Summer's here, feel the heat. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Laughter ringing in the air. Every turn a new surprise. Adventure everywhere. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sun-kissed days and starry nights. Memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves. This summer's
With overlooking view. Ito yung highest point ito sa New Coast. Meron tayong ocean view, at ito naman yung lote mula doon hanggang dito sa kinatatayuan ko. So meron tayong overlooking view. Ito yun dun, yung mga cluster D, C, D, and A sa Ocean Way. Kita rin dito yung Savoy Hotel, Chancellor, at saka sa likod niyan is yung Belmont. Doon din yung private beach. Ayan, dito sa kabila, at meron din dito sa kabila. So ito naman yung view sa may kabilang side. At ito naman yung view sa kanyang likuran. Ayun. Kaya kung magpapagawa ng building or bahay nito, ay overlooking talaga yung yung view. Ayun, ganda. Kita yung buong ocean. Naka bato-bato yung lupa, kaya medyo matibay kung titirikan ng building. This is Akanglan Realty signing off.
sun's up high in the blue sky, warm sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name.